system is to have a small piece of anything in the check valve holding it open. If you have that, you'll be able to feel a suction on the tip of the valve, and that just means that the valve needs to be cleaned again, possibly a couple of times, or possibly taken apart so that you can get inside the valve element and clean off that little bit of debris. When the check valve is removed from the system, there's going to be some liquid in the check valve. Be sure to pour that out. And then one easy way to clean the check valve is to put the nozzle of a spray bottle in the check valve and spray several times so that the ethanol is forced through the valve element, and then of course pour off that ethanol, and your valve should be nice and clean. Be sure not to lose the O-ring associated with the check valve. It's very common for these to stick to the pump instead of the check valve, so make sure you don't lose that.